You've been learning English for months, maybe even years, and you feel like you're still not improving. Today I'm going to show you why that feeling is wrong and 3 tools to prove that you are actually getting better. This is for B1 learners who are putting in the work but feel like they're not getting anywhere. Now, if you are like those learners and you feel like you're not improving, it's not because you're not improving. The actual reason is simple. You have no way of seeing your improvements. This is because the progress of language learning is often slow and invisible in the short term. For example, you do not notice when you use a word that you used to look up now automatically. You also do not notice when a sentence that used to take 5 seconds now takes only 2. It just happens, and then you forget it was ever hard. Without a system to make progress visible, your brain defaults to what it can see, the things you still cannot do. That list always feels longer than it actually is, because progress is always happening. The problem is you have nothing to measure it against. That is where these 3 tools come in. Tool number 1, the 60-second recording. Pick a topic, any topic. Your job, your neighborhood, or something you did last weekend. Talk about it, record it, and save it with today's date. Now, do not listen back immediately. Tomorrow is too fast. Leave it for 6 weeks. Then, record the same exact topic again. When you compare the 2 recordings in 6 weeks, you will hear the things that you cannot immediately see. It could be better sentence structure, fewer pauses, or words that you did not have before. And that is how tool number 1, the 60-second recording, can help you visualize your progress. Tool number 2, the phrase diary. Keep a small list in your phone, in your notebook, anywhere. Add a section called I could not say before. And every time you use a phrase that you didn't know 3 months ago, write it down. Now review this just once a week, because the list is your progress. It is concrete, it is specific, and it's yours. This list helps remind you of the progress you made. And you can even write down things like, I felt more confident, or I took more breaks. Anything where you feel like you have made progress, write it down. Now also try tool number 3, the conversation replay. After any conversation in English, even a short one, take 30 seconds to notice what went better than I'm used to. That's correct. Not what went wrong, but what went right. It is much easier for us to see the things that are wrong than the things that are right. So make sure that you remind yourself. And this could be something like, I did not switch to my native language. I found a word I would have lost before. I answered someone without freezing. All these small improvements matter, so remind yourself. Small, specific, and real. These small, positive moments add up faster than you think. Now let's see if you understand how to use the 3 tools. I give you a situation, and you need to decide, is this a sign of progress you might be missing? A yes or no answer with a why is enough. You use the word without translating it first. Is this a sign of progress? Yes, absolutely, because that is a word that moves from passive to automatic. You understood a joke in English. Is that a sign of progress? Yes, humor is one of the last things to click. That is real progress. You stayed in English for a whole conversation. Is that progress? Absolutely. Even if it was hard and it didn't go so well. Especially if it was hard. Well done. You realized you made the same grammar mistake as you made before. Is that progress? Yes, absolutely, because you realized you made a mistake and you caught it in time. Realizing is an important step towards improvement. Okay, last one. You described something difficult and you think you got your point across. Is that progress? Absolutely. Getting your point across in a conversation is the goal, not perfection. So start today with tool number 1. Record yourself talking about any topic for 60 seconds. A topic that you know. Save it with today's date. Then in 6 weeks, find it and record it again. Compare the two and you will see that you made progress. If this helped, subscribe. New live lessons every Monday and Friday with the videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Thank you for watching.